Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of acoustic panels with a focus on one of the best noise-blocking solutions available, the 52-pack acoustic panels by audiosoul. Whether you're setting up a recording studio, improving home theater sound, or enhancing your workspace, these panels promise to deliver exceptional sound absorption and clarity. Let's explore what makes them stand out. These acoustic panels come in a pack of 52, each measuring 12 inches by 12 inches. They're crafted from high-density foam, designed not just to dampen sound but to absorb unwanted echoes and reverberations effectively. This is crucial for creating an acoustically optimized environment, whether you're a musician, podcaster, or simply a sound enthusiast. Firstly, these panels boast professional-grade sound-absorbing properties. Unlike traditional soundproofing methods that block sound, these foam panels absorb sound waves, minimizing echoes and improving sound clarity. This makes them ideal for recording studios, home theaters, or any space where sound quality matters. Made from flexible, dense acoustic foam, these panels ensure consistent sound absorption across various frequencies. They're easy to install on walls or ceilings without the need for specialized tools, although adhesive strips or glue are required, sold separately. The charcoal color not only looks sleek but also blends well into different room aesthetics. Using these panels reduces stress-inducing echoes, enhancing overall comfort in large spaces with high ceilings. Whether you're recording vocals, mixing audio, or enjoying your favorite movies with immersive sound, these panels contribute to a better listening experience. Where can you use these panels? They're perfect for treating recording booths, home theaters, control rooms, or any area where sound quality matters. Their versatility and effectiveness make them a go-to choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. To sum up, the 52-pack acoustic panels by audiosoul offer top-tier sound absorption and clarity enhancement for various applications. Whether you're setting up a studio, improving your home theater, or simply seeking better sound quality in your space, these panels deliver where it counts. If you're serious about sound, these should definitely be on your radar. Interested in transforming your space acoustically? Check out the link in the description to get your own set of audiosoul acoustic panels today. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tips on enhancing your audio experience.